Buddy, it's Ed Champion with Big Thunder Marine. I'd like to welcome you aboard the Fountain 38 SCX. The 38's available in two different models. We have an SC and an SCX model. There's a lot of different features and benefits from each model, but today we're going to walk through the SCX. The first thing you'll see is it's got a bench seat that runs the whole back, so no walk-through transom on this boat. Some of the features and benefits on each model obviously are options, but you can get with a salesperson and they can help you build a boat or go over a window sticker for each individual boat. This boat's equipped with a dive door, and the dive door on this model comes up out of the floor. So you're not moving a ladder, you're not stowing a ladder somewhere. It's actually attached, it comes out of the floor, goes in the water, easy access in and off the boat. It does have a rear ladder as well. If you come off the back of the boat, go in the water, there is a ladder on the back as well. Engine options on this boat is my favorite is the Mercury Racing 400Rs, but this boat can be equipped with Mercury power from 300 to 500. The 38 is a 10-6 beam, so we can actually do quads on this boat. I have some customers that really like the quad. Gives the boat a little bit better training wheel feel to it, a little better push. But this way the boat is set up right now, these 400Rs is my favorite way to set it up in triples. A little more room on the back of the transom in a triple configuration. We do not do joystick. Anything that runs over 70 miles an hour, we do not do joystick. So on all of our Fountain center consoles, almost all of them will run over 70. So it's a bow thruster. This boat is 16,000 pounds. So it has a good weight to it, good ride, amazing boat for Lake of the Ozarks. Shore power on the back. This can be equipped with the reverse co-engine washing system as well. This one is set up again with the double row seats. It's available on the 34, 38, and the 43 as an option. They can get a rear facing seat here instead. And when you do that, a Seakeeper option's available. The Seakeeper option is not available with the double row seats, but when you go to the rear facing, you can get a Seakeeper. There's a Garmin screen up in the T-top. This T-top runs gunnel to gunnel. It's got a skylight in it. It's got the RGB lighting, Shadowcaster system, so you can adjust the lights. You can go any color you want. Again, storage is very important to all our boaters. So this boat has storage in the floor, storage in the gunnels, storage in the bow, storage in the cabin. So moving forward to the helm, you've got a nice automotive style dash with a dash pad. This boat's equipped with a bow thruster. This has got a vessel view in it, and then this SCX is equipped standard with heat and air at the dash. It works off an inverter system, so you do not need a generator. There's a generator option available. It'd be a Fisher Panda diesel generator with a 10-gallon tank. But this air conditioning system, just on the inverter style, will last 6 to 8 hours. While it's running, the motors are going to charge your inverter system. It's got voltage sensing relays. It's going to charge your engine batteries first and then move on to your inverter batteries. Mercury Racing digital controls, trim, start, tilt wheel, trim tab indicator. This particular boat has a Livorsi 1150s on it. We have a knob for the JL audio. This is a glass windshield boat, so no plastic on this. This is all glass helm, and it's got an electric shade vent that opens up and lets some air inside. It's got some kickouts built in to the grab handle area. It's going to help with the wind, blow the wind away from the boat and the area that's you're sitting back here in the double seats. Skylight in the roof, and then storage up above. Little cubby hole here to store some stuff, and it's also available with a phone charger. All the Fountain upholstery is built in-house. If you custom order a boat, you can pick out the logo stitching color, the seat stitching color. There's several different accent patterns you can pick out. The piping can be customized. The cool touch and the quilted area all can be customized to how your needs are. This has a nice little cup holder that flips up. It's got flip up seats. Armrest comes down, and then you've got a nice area here. You can kind of sit up above the windshield. We can build a riser for this boat. It needs to be about a 3-inch riser. We can add a riser to the floor, put SeaDeck on it, it'd be seamless. Driver's area is super comfortable. Just like on all the other Fountain center consoles. It's a left-hand drive on this boat. Controls are super comfortable. The tilt wheel trim is on the end here on my thumb, starting on here, and then the trim is in the front. So it's super easy to drive, very comfortable running boat. Handle's great. It's a 10.6 beam with a lot of weight to it, so it's a great Lake of the Ozarks boat, or offshore actually. Boat has a 425-gallon gas tank, fills on one side, gives you a great range. Motor miles per hour, you're going to get a 1.3-ish, so it has a very great range for if you're going to use Lake of the Ozarks, you'll not be stopping at the gas dock, or you're going offshore, maybe to the Bahamas. Okay, moving up to the bow of the boat. Fountain's equipped with a speaker hatch. It's got an electronic ram on it, windlass. Controls at the windlass or here at the windlass area and up front. Speaker system, JL audio, digital speakers, amps. It's also controlled at the helm, or you can download a Fusion app and download it and play with the stereo on the Fusion app. We have storage in the floor areas, bow thruster access, more storage underneath the front lounger, and then we have these nice areas here. These are actually can be used for coolers. They can use for storage. More storage there. Boaters love storage, places to put ropes, bumpers. There's a table on the floor. The table is electric, comes up with a switch. RGB lighting can be controlled at the helm as well, different colors. Moving up to the T-top of the 38 SCX, we have a rigid light bar on the roof, LED nav lights, and the anchor light is actually electronically controlled. So when you turn the lights on, you don't have to go get a pole, you don't have to climb up on the roof, flip up a light, it'll electronically come up. This vented shade on the glass is a very nice add. And this boat does not have radar, but if it was radar equipped, it'd have a dome on the roof for radar as well. Don't really need to use it on the lake here as much as we do on offshore or Florida locations. The cabin is very well set up. It's got a porcelain head. This is equipped with AC, as we talked about, a sink, and a V-berth area. So the voltage sensing relays will help keep everything charged up for you. You come back to your dock, you put it on shore power, it'll charge the system. It's all electronic, takes care of itself. Big Thunder Marine keeps 38 SCX in stock, available at all times. You can also available for a custom ordered boat. If you want to do something, get with one of our sales associates, and we'll be happy to help you.